Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation. In this session, I'm going to give you the demo of this application Ferrules at reference object bolt location. When you're working in coordination with the steel detailer, you will be given IFC model. Once you insert the IFC model into Precast project, now you have to insert Ferrules exactly at the reference object bolt location. Of course, we know how tedious the process because you just have to pick the position and make sure that it actually aligns with the bolt and also to be placed on the face of the panel. It should also be added as a subassembly, and based on the form face you have to assign whether it is the near side or far side of the panel. So the process involves a series of steps, whereas with this application, when you pick a single panel or multiple panel and then the reference object, it will automatically create ferrules exactly in alignment with the bolt locations. Let's see the demo. So these are the reference objects and reference bolt. So you can change options here. If you want to apply any other detail, select custom component and click the component catalog, and then you can select other details, and this is the attribute settings. But I'm going to use ferrule now. Insert ferrules, pick the panels, press the middle mouse and pick the reference object bolt. You can see the ferrules inside. Let me just do it on the other side. So here it is. These ferrules are already added as subassembly. How I'm going to check? Let me just select this panel as an assembly, and then once I hide this by pressing the shift key, you will not see the ferrules. That indicates the ferrules have been added as a subassembly. And not only that, if I go and check the form face, so the form face is here. That means these ferrules are near side and these ones are far side. So let me just try for these ones. Pick the panel, press the middle mouse and pick the reference object bolt. Now you can see how easy it is to create the ferrules in alignment with the reference object bolt location. For this application to work, you need to have this ferrules and face ferrules component in the component catalog. This package also includes these components. If you have any specific question, feel free to ask me, and thank you for watching this video.